What if I told you that your next billion-dollar product idea is hiding in plain sight, disguised as something that annoys you every single day? There's a good chance you have a unique handmade product idea right now and you don't even know it. Here's how one original product became a billion-dollar empire, and how you can use the same emotional intelligence approach to discover your own breakthrough product. As an associate marriage and family therapist, a large portion of my day revolves around helping others process their emotions. And here's what I've learned. One of the most important things about processing emotions is that it helps you identify your needs, your wants, and provides information about what is truly important to you. Well, when it comes to handmade products, identifying your emotions can be very helpful for you too. For instance, a feeling like frustration could be giving you a message that a change is needed. It could be saying that something needs to be done differently here, or this is not a good fit for you, depending, of course, on the context. So when it comes to your handmade business idea, you can start with your frustration. Let me show you exactly how this works with two incredible success stories that follow the same pattern: emotion, insight, solution, success. Take Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Back in the 1990s, Sarah was selling fax machines. What happened was that she was getting ready to go to a party and wanted to wear a pair of white pants, but she couldn't find any smooth, comfortable undergarment to wear under her white pants. So she became frustrated. And out of this frustration, she completed her first prototype. She literally took a pair of pantyhose, cut off the feet portion of it, and realized that this product can solve a potential problem. Similarly, you have the founder of Scrub Daddy, Aaron Krause. I hope I said his name right. But he said that early in his professional years, he would tend to paperwork in the front office while also preparing machinery. Dirty hands were a constant annoyance to him, so he became frustrated with the only product available to clean them, which was like a slurry of rocks and lotion, which was known as Gojo. Using his 14 years of experience making Urafame foam buffing pads, Aaron embarked on a mission to invent a more comfortable way to clean his hands. So again, you see that pattern of emotion, insight, solution, and success. And remember guys, H2O is a form of self-care. Okay. Anyways, let's get back into it. A lot of the times we're looking on the outside when it starts from the inside. And the truth is, sometimes we are so busy, so distracted with what's going on in the world today that it's too noisy to be in touch or to hear your inspiration. This, by the way, is why I created the meditation playlist, because creativity and inspiration can be enhanced through mindfulness and meditation. And when you practice mindfulness or meditation regularly, you start to notice patterns in your frustration. You begin to see which annoyances keep coming up, which ones trigger the strongest emotional responses, and most importantly, which ones point to genuine problems that need solving. One way practicing meditation on a daily basis has helped me, especially because I'm a multi-passionate entrepreneur, was learning how to strategically integrate my passions in a way that feels authentic. Because for so many years, I was constantly overwhelmed with all the things I enjoyed and all the ideas I had. And I realized even if I wanted to, I don't have time to start all of these ideas. So I'd rather give them away. Right now, my preference is to help other people give birth to their ideas. Just think of you going to Coachella or going to see your favorite artist or band, and you are right in the middle of the arena, and the artist is all the way in the front. If you wanted to give that artist a message, it's gonna be really hard for them to hear you way back out in the middle of the crowd. And it's gonna take some time for you to squeeze through everyone for you to get to the artist. So sometimes we need to remove some of the junk to make room for inspiration to come to us. And meditation and mindfulness creates that quiet space where your authentic ideas can finally reach you. So let me ask you, what are some of your current frustrations, annoyances, pet peeves that you have today? I want you to pause this video for a moment and really think about this. What made you say, there has to be a better way, just this week? Now, here's what might happen. You might think, well, here's my frustration, but somebody is already doing it. However, instead of letting that thought block your progress, you can see it as a good thing, because that means there is a market for this product. Where is the opportunity to bring it to life in a different or improved way? So be sure to subscribe, because at some point I will share more ways you can conduct market research to differentiate your product. But If you find yourself continuing to find reasons why something won't work, you likely need to work on your mindset. And just because you have a thought, it doesn't mean you have to buy into that thought. It's just a thought. Now, there's this quote by Henry Ford that I loved for years. Maybe you've heard of it, but it goes, whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. If you need to start believing that you can, check out this video here, somewhere here. And remember, your emotions aren't obstacles. They're your personal research team, constantly gathering data about what the world needs. And your frustration today could be someone else's solution tomorrow. And that someone else could be you. So here's what I'd love for you to do. Share a comment with some of your frustrations and some possible remedies you might have, because I'd love to hear them. And right now I can read every single comment, typically because I don't really have any. And who knows, you might just be sharing your next big breakthrough idea. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more content about turning your emotions into entrepreneurial insights. And if you're ready to quiet the noise and connect with your creative inspiration, check out my meditation playlist in the description box below. Your next $1 million handmade product idea is closer than you think. And it might just be disguised as today's biggest annoyance. See you in the next video.
Know what's good for your life. You guys are listening to my wife. Okay, life advice. You want to be rich? Listen to this.
Can I put that in there?